Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salwa Fadila Yasmin and my student ID is 235111071111029. Today, I am going to present my final project. The title of my presentation is Factors Affecting the Success of Second Language Acquisition, or SLA. Second language acquisition is something that many people experience at some point in their life. It could be learning English in school, studying another language for fun, or even picking up a new language while living in another country. Learning a new language is important, whether it's for education, work, or interacting with people from different cultures. But it's not always easy, is it? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to pick up new languages quickly while others struggle? That's what my presentation is about. Today, I'll explain three main factors that affect how well someone can learn a second language, like first age, second personality, and three motivation. So, without further ado, let's get started with the first slide. Before we dive into the factors, let's first understand what SLA means. SLA stands for Second Language Acquisition. This refers to the process of learning a language other than your first language, which we also call your mother tongue. Learning your first language is something that happens naturally when you are a baby. You hear the people around you speaking, and over time, you pick it up without even realizing it. But learning a second language is different. It usually happens later in life, and it requires a lot of practice and effort. Now, not everyone learns a second language in the same way. Some people pick it up quickly and easily, while others may need more time and help. Why is that? It's because of different factors like age, personality, and motivation. It play a big role. In this presentation, I'll explain how each of these factors affects the process of learning a new language. Let's move to the next slide. There are many different things that can influence how successful someone is at learning second language. However, there are three key factors that stand out the most. First, age. This affects how well our brain and body can learn. Second, personality. This is about how people behave and interact when they are learning. Three, motivation. This is how much someone how much someone wants to learn and why they are learning. These factors don't just affect how fast you learn a language, they also affect the result, like how fluent you become, how accurate your grammar is, and how confident you feel using the language. Let's look at each of these factors in more detail. Let's move to the next slide. Let's start with age, which is one of the biggest factors in learning a second language. Research show at show that younger people, especially children aged 0 to 7 years old, are really good at learning languages. This is because their brains are still developing and very flexible. It's like their brains are a sponge that can soak up new information very easily. This stage, where the brain is very flexible, is called the critical period for language learning. During this time, children can learn new languages naturally, just like they learn their first language. But as we grow older, our brains go through a process called lateralization. This is when the brain two sides or hemispheres start to take on specific jobs. After this happens, usually after puberty, it becomes harder to learn a new language, especially when it comes to pronunciation. Children also have tongues that are very adaptable, so they can copy the sounds of new language better. That's why kids often sound like native speakers when they learn a second language. However, adults have their own advantages. Even though their brains and tongue are less flexible, adults are very good at understanding grammar and vocabulary because they already have more experience and learning strategies. So, they can analyze language rules and use them effectively. Even though adults might not sound like a native speakers, they can still become very good at communicating in a new language. Let's move to the next slide. Now, let's talk about personality, which is another important factor in SLA. Have you ever noticed how some people love talking and meeting a new people, while others are quieter and prefer to observe? This difference in personality can affect how someone learns a new language. People who are extroverts or outgoing usually do well in speaking and listening. They are not afraid to talk to people and practice. Even if they make mistakes, this constant practice helps them improve quickly in communication skills. On the other hand, people who are introverts or quieter are often better at learning the rules of a language. They like to focus on reading, writing, and grammar. Their attention to details help them understand the structure of the language very well. Both extrovert and introvert have their own strengths, so there's no better personality for learning a new language. It's just about using your strength to your advantage. Let's move on to the next slide. The final and perhaps most important factors is motivation. Motivation is what keeps us going when learning gets hard or frustrating. There are two main types of motivation. First, extrinsic motivation. This comes from outside reasons, like needing to pass a test, get a job, or move to another country. Intrinsic motivation. The second is intrinsic motivation. This comes from inside. It's when you learn because you love the language or the culture. For example, extrinsic motivation might make you study hard for an exam, but intrinsic motivation, like wanting to watch movies or read books in another language, keep you learning even after the exam is over. Intrinsic motivation is especially powerful because it makes learning feel fun and exciting, not like a chore. Let's move on to the next slide. In conclusion, there are three main factors that affect how we learn a second language. First, age. Younger learners are better at pronunciation, but adults are great at grammar and vocabulary. 2. Personality. Extroverts learn through speaking, while introverts focus on reading and writing. 3. Motivation. Intrinsic motivation, like loving the language, often leads to better success. By understanding these factors, we can find better ways to help people learn a new language. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.